Come on back. Right here where I'm at, Jolien, because he's going to hit you. Jolien! Back here, please, because you're going to get hit. He's coming up fast, dude. Come on right here. I don't want you to get hit. Yeah, I don't want you to get hit right here. I have not been to a train up this close before. Let's see if he can make us have a horn salute. Let's see. Okay. There he comes. He's coming up fast. Woo! 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 What a nice train driver, huh? What a nice train driver. Did you see that? What a nice train driver, bro. What a very nice train driver. Give him a horn salute. Woo! You like that, huh? Race it! Hurry, race it! I'm just kidding. Whoa! So many cars going in! Shit! This thing's like 2 minutes long! Woo! What a nice train driver! Hurry! Here comes the end of it! I thought it was going to be very long, but here comes the end. Here comes the end already. Woo! Oh, he got a nice AC 44